What's up, traders? TradingView just released a new update and it's going to save us a lot of time. They updated the alerts and now you can set it to a whole list. So let me show you how. It's really simple and it's going to save you a lot of time and energy, and it's going to save a lot of slots for alerts because there's a maximum number of alerts you can have. So this is going to save a lot of it. So you can set a list, like I have a list here with some tickers that I added. You can give it a name. So I give it a name Solid Crypto, really original. Then you go set the alert on the indicator right here, add an alert on Trading Assistant Dingue. And instead of selecting the symbol for BTC, which is the chart that's right behind, we're going to select the list right here. So you see there's 25 tickers in this list. So it's like setting up 25 alerts just with that single alert. If you consider that we integrated the function call with all four signals, long, shorts, the targets, and the stops, that's like setting up 100 alerts on this list with one alert call. So this is saving a lot of time, a lot of energy, and it opens up possibility as well, because now you can set up a lot of long list and things that you could not do before very easily. I hope you like this update. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is really great. And I don't know if it's open for all packages. This might be just for paid packages. I don't know if it's for free. But let me know what you think. If you've all the way to this part of the video, leave a thumbs up, follow for more content like this, and good luck with the charts. See you next time.